you should be able to understand that what type of content works on Instagram. Is very, very important. What type of content that is visible. Now here we have sudden problem with doctor's mindset. What a type of content that work on Instagram? There are only three type that works. Majority. Okay. Everything comes between this or among this. When you are finding content, you should be able to understand that what type of content works on Instagram. Is very, very important. What type of content that is visible. Now here we have sudden problem with doctor's mindset. What a type of content that work on Instagram? There are only three type that works. Majority. Okay. Everything comes between this or among this. First is fun. If you see the lot of comedy and all those things, it works. Educational, it works. Inspirational, it works. Whatever the growth we have seen in last few months, it happens when we started mixing the right mix of these topics. Okay, this is very important. Otherwise you will not be able to have the growth that you want. Let's say you are an orthopedician, or you are in Ayurvedic, or you are in pathologist. Now how you can add fun to your content profile? You should start thinking about that. All right, how you can put education. See, education is what you are focused on. You are always putting education. But if the content, let's say this is your channel. Okay, Instagram is a kind of channel you have putting content. Now if everything is educational, if everything is with your serious face, people will not like it. They will become bored and go out of that channel because they have choices. Okay, so you have to put a mix of the content. तो पूरा एक फ्लेवर बनाना पड़ेगा. एक ही तरह का चीज आप रोज खिलाते रहोगे, खिचड़ी 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 खिचड़ी, तो आदमी बोर होके भाग जाएगा. So we need to put the curry. There has to be somewhere flavor of some rices, some South Indian, North Indian kind of mix. Okay, so fun, educational and inspirational.
You're actually now holding a channel. It's like how to run a channel. आजकल न्यूज़ में भी कितना सारा ग्लैमर आता है. It is not only news. 24 hour news नहीं सुन सकते. You have to give some mix of content, some funny, some educational, some inspirational, motivational stuff, and when you will properly package it, it will work for you.
This is the one of the key points that I want to share. The content secret hack, which I've already one I have already told you. The seamlessly get inspired. Get inspired means copy, paste, and everything, and add your own flavor. When I say seamlessly, just for the fun, but you can you just get inspired and add your own flavor and put the content. Nothing new in this world is there. Just you have to find the right content and start recreate it. Then make some content which is shareable. This is a very, very important. Okay, use people's emotion, relationship. So let's say you are a male gynecologist. Okay, and you make content for somebody's wife. So when you create a content, at the end you tell that share with your wife or your sister, for whom it will be a very, very relevant. Algorithm wise, Instagram algorithm ranks highest when the content are shareable. When content is shareable means it has a viral quotient. When people start sharing means it has a viral quotient, that is according to Instagram, and it start pushing to the number of peoples. So it can be done by if you play with the emotion of the people, relationship with the people. So whenever you are doing, let's say you are doing a content on knee surgery, who will be the beneficiary of knee surgery? It will be the father-in-law, mother-in-law, right? And who will be watching? Their kids. So what you will do? You will ask them to share it with your father, mother, your father-in-law, mother-in-law. Because once you start having sharing, the viral quotient push in the more number of people. So start having that kind of content, relationship. And the third, now this is the gold mine for all doctors who are here. Make a transition. When I say make a transition, what does it mean? From sickness to wellness. Don't talk about only disease. Disease people are limited, but wellness is unlimited. Everyone want to remain healthy. Think about your domain and think about how I can create wellness oriented content around it. सिर्फ बीमारी के बारे में बात नहीं करना है.
जैसे the example is that if you are a cardiologist, you can always tell that this food is good for your heart and this is the recipe. फिर देखो कैसा वायरल होता है.
See, अगर आप हार्ट सर्जन हो, if you are an heart surgeon, people will come to you when they are sick, but you can talk to people to keep your heart healthy. Now, how to keep healthy? You can do on content on exercise, you can do content on food. Okay, then the stress, you can do a lot of things on stress. You can do on, you will see that a lot of doctors are putting content on recipes only.
Yeah.
Okay, recipes, doctor telling how to make food, and that is the most viral content by doctors.